The dog vaccine has two parts. One is written CHP, it is dried, and the other is written LR, this is for leptospirosis and rabies, it is in liquid form. We will mix the liquid with the dried freeze, make a suspension and inject that into our dog. We will inject 1 ml air into it and then we'll bring it down so it will automatically fill with it. You see, now I will mix this solution with the freeze dried one. It will change color. Now I will shake it so that a uniform solution is made. You can see it has changed its color to red. There should be no suspended particles in it. Stop. We will inject this. So I had injected these two vials 21 days ago, and today again after 21 days I injected these vials again. So I will now give him booster dose after 1 year.